Hello traders, today we are going to see demo of Zerodha Kite application. You can download this application from App Store as well as Play Store. Once you logged into the application, this market watch list screen will be displayed. Totally, there will be 5 watch list pages. We can add 50 scripts per page, so that totally we can add 250 scripts. If you click on this down arrow mark, market overview will be displayed and then our equity fund, commodity funds will be displayed. In watch list, we can add the scripts by searching in the search box. Now I am going to add index script. Type index space nifty. Here all the nifty scripts will be displayed. We can select the required by adding plus symbol. Now we will add Sensex index space Sensex, add with plus symbol. Now we will see how to add NSE script. For that, search NSE space script name. I will go with SBI and then add using plus symbol. Now we will add BSE script. For that, BSE space script name. I will go with South Bank. We can add it. Now we will see how to add future contracts. Search NFO space contract name. I am going with Infi. Next 3-month future contracts will be displayed. We can add the required contract using this plus symbol. Now we will see how to add option scripts. For that, type your script name. For example, Bank Nifty space type CE for call option or PE for put option. Current month call option script will be displayed. If you want next month script, type next month name, so that next month scripts will be displayed. If you want weekly contract, type next week Thursday date, so that weekly contracts will be displayed. We can add the required script. Now we will add one SBI put option. For that, SBI space PE. I am going to add May month contract. I will pick the required one. If you want to edit the watch list, you can click on watch list name. You can delete the unwanted scripts and then you can edit the watch list name. Now I am going to change my watch list name as for demo. Type the name and then give save. So market watch will be saved. Using this settings option, we can personalize our watch list. We can filter it as per our requirement. We can filter index alone, NSE alone, BSE alone or NFO alone. We can do multi filter also, and then we can sort it as per the requirement. We can sort alphabetically, percentage change and last traded price. If we click on any script, this box will be open. Here we can buy the share and we can sell the share, and we can view the market depth. Offer sides are sellers, bid sides are buyer. We can view up to 20 depth, and we can see the open, high, low, close value and then volume of trade for the day, and we can use these apps if required. If you click on view chart, here we can zoom in and then zoom out the chart using this plus and minus symbols. If you click on this plus symbol, crosshair will be open. we can use as per our requirement. Using this view info, we can check the open, high, low, close value and then volume of the trade for a single candle. We can see it in two views. One is near to candle, next one is over here of the display. And then this is draw tool, we can use if required, and this is undo and redo tool, we can use as per our requirement. Here we can change the time frame from 1 minute to 1 month. We can fix the frame. For example, I will select 1 day. Here every single candle represent one single day. Now we will go and then fix 5-minute chart. Here we can save the current view using this save view option. Next is chart style. We can fix any style as per our requirement. For example, I will fix line chart. Line chart is applied. Most preferable chart will be candle chart. So we will fix candle chart itself. Next, here we can change the theme day, night as well as customize the theme. Now I will apply night theme. The background is changed. Next, analysis. Here list of analysis will be available. We can select as per our requirement and we can use it. For example, I will apply RSI analysis. Type RSI and then give OK. Give done. Now RSI has been applied over here. Like same manner, we will add moving average. Search moving average and then select it. Give OK. So moving average have been applied. This red color line is moving average analysis. Using this icon, we can save the preferences and then we can clear the preferences. If we give save preferences, applied analysis will be saved for all chart. If we give clear preferences, all the applied analysis will be removed, fresh chart will be opened. Here we can fix the chart frame. This will display 1 year chart on the screen. Same, this will be for 1 month chart on the screen. And this is for 5 days and this one for single day. Now we will see how to make buy and sell. Click on any script. Click on buy. So buy window will be opened. Here in product, CNC means for long time holding. We can buy the share today and then we can sell whenever we want. MIS means for intraday square off. We can buy the share today and then we have to sell it today itself. For this, Zerodha will be give you leverages. Using leverage, we can buy more number of share using lower amount. For example, consider one share is trading at 100 rupees. If Zerodha is giving 10 times margin means using 100 rupees we can buy 10 number of shares. Here in order type, market means buying in the market value. Limit means buying in the value lower than the market price. This SL, SLM, bracket order, cover order, after market order and all I will explain in another video. Now we will make one intraday limit order. Select product as MIS and then select order type as limit order and then fix your limit price. Currently market is trading over 185. I will limit the price into 184. Swipe this buy button to place the order. Now the order has been placed. The same will be available in my order book. See, here order will be available in pending orders. It means we have placed one limit order. Once the price reaches 184, this order will be executed. Once it executed, it will go to executed orders tab. Like in the same way, GTT orders will be available in GTT tab. Now we will buy one SBI share at market price. Select the share and then select buy button, give in market and then give buy. Now the order has been completed. This will be available in my executed orders tab. This means we have bought one SBI share from NSE. The purchased price is 184.55. Product type is MIS and we have placed market order. If we click on this share, this box will be open. Here we can repeat the order. We can check our order details as well as we can view the chart also. Go to portfolio. Here there will be two tabs. One is position, another one is holding. In position tab, we can see the current market status of purchased stock. This is our SBI stock. Now it is going on 5 paise profit. Here we can see total profit and loss. From position only we have to exit the shares. If we bought CNC share, first day it will be available in position tab. From second day onwards it will be available in holdings tab. We have to exit the share from holding. Now we will see how to sell this share. Select on the share. This box will be open. Here give exit. If we give exit, sell window will be open. Here we can sell the share. Our product is MIS. We will put limit sell order. Now we will give the limit price. I will give 184.70 and then swipe sell. Now order has been completed. Go to orders. Now in executed order there will be a buy order as well as sell order. It means we have bought SBI share for 184.55 and then we have sold it for 184.80. It means we made the actual profit of 25 paise. Here also we can use this settings to apply filters and sort. This is our SBI limit order. The price has not reached our required price, so we will cancel this order now. Click on the order. This tab will be open. Here we can modify as well as we can cancel the order. I will give cancel and then give yes over here so that this order will be cancelled and the same will be updated in executed orders. Only open orders will be in pending tab. All other status will be available in executed tabs. If your order cancelled or else rejected means it will be available in executed orders. In apps tab, Zerodha apps will be available. We can use if required. Next, go to profile option. This is our profile. We can add funds using this funds tab. Click on the funds option. Here you can add and withdraw the funds. If you want to add for equity, select equity and then proceed. If it is for commodity, select the commodity and then proceed. Here we can see our margin available, opening balance and then margins we have used today. As I already told, this minus 0.25 is my actual profit I have made in today's trade. Give add funds, enter your amount. If you are paying using UPI, you can select this option. This is for Google Pay and then for net banking. Select equity or commodity and then your bank. If it is UPI, click on UPI and then press continue. If it is net banking, press net banking and then continue. Then you can add your money to the Zerodha account. If you select withdraw, it will take you to the withdraw page. If you want to withdraw equity balance, select equity and then enter your amount and then give proceed. If you want to withdraw commodity, select on commodity and then enter your amount and then give proceed. We can check the recent withdrawal status by clicking on this down arrow. If you click on this profile, your profile will be displayed. Here you can see the detailed profile. Click on detailed profile. It will take you to console page. Here you can take out your telephonic code. This telephonic code will be useful while calling Zerodha support team. If you select settings, settings will be displayed over here. We can change the theme here. From light to dark we can change. We can fix black mode. We can fix full screen mode. We can add face lock as well as finger lock. And there will be two chart style we can pick as per our requirement. Console is our back office. We can download the report from console links. Trade book, P&L, contract notes can be downloaded from here. While applying IPO, we have to apply it from console only. If we click on this support tab, it will take us to Zerodha support page. We can create ticket on our doubts on that support page. That's all traders. Thanks for watching my video.